Alright guys, this is your local Google guide here from Irvine, California Woodbridge, and I'm going to show you how to get from West Yale Loop to Fukada. It is a really good restaurant, and you oftentimes get things such as noodles from there. Really yummy. They do have vegan friendly options, as do all the restaurants that I endorse. And therefore, let's see if I can remember how to get there. Have not been there for a while anyway. So we drive past the lake here on the right and we make a left turn on Yale. And soon, a right turn onto, let's see, what's this road here coming up? Irvine Center Drive, let's see. I got it right. Here we go. Right turn after yielding. 55 miles is the speed limit on this Gear Road. Let's see if we can be lucky and get a couple of green lights in a row. Haven't been lucky in a while, so it'd be nice. If we could. A lot of things have changed around here since COVID. Alright, here we go. On the left we have a bunch of other fun places you can go to eat. But in this case we're going to keep going straight past the IBC, I think that's what they call this. Back in the day when my daughter was still dancing at Dance Lobo, they would sometimes have little rehearsals